Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for our overall well-being, the importance of hobbies and leisure activities for mental wellness. Did you know that engaging in a hobby you love can significantly lower your stress levels and improve your mood? It's true. In this video, we'll explore how hobbies can enhance your mental health and why it's essential to make time for them in our busy lives. So let's get started. Mental wellness is all about how we think, feel, and behave. It encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. When we're mentally well, we're better able to handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Maintaining mental wellness is crucial because it affects every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our productivity at work or school. Now, let's talk about how hobbies and leisure activities can benefit our mental wellness. First, hobbies help reduce stress. When we engage in activities we enjoy, it gives us a break from the daily grind and lets us unwind. For example, gardening can be incredibly calming, as can painting or any creative pursuit. These activities allow us to focus on something positive, reducing the impact of stress on our minds and bodies. Secondly, hobbies can significantly improve our mood. When we do something we love, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This can be as simple as playing a musical instrument, engaging in a sport, or even cooking a new recipe. These activities can make us feel happier and more content. Next, engaging in hobbies can enhance our cognitive function. Activities like solving puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill can keep our brains sharp and improve our creativity. These hobbies stimulate our minds and can even help prevent cognitive decline as we age. Lastly, hobbies can help us build social connections. Participating in group activities like team sports, book clubs, or crafting groups allows us to meet new people and develop friendships. These social interactions are vital for our mental health, as they provide support and a sense of belonging. So, how do you find the right hobby? Here are some tips. Start by exploring your interests. Think about what activities have always intrigued you and give them a try. You don't need to invest a lot of money. Start with low-cost or easily accessible hobbies. For example, you can try drawing, jogging in the park, or joining a local community group. The key is to find something that brings you joy and helps you relax. It's also important to balance your hobbies with other responsibilities. Make sure you're not overcommitting yourself, which can add stress instead of relieving it. Remember, the goal is to enhance your mental wellness, not to create more pressure. Let me share a quick personal story. A friend of mine was going through a tough time at work and felt constantly stressed. She decided to take up yoga, something she had always wanted to try. Over a few months, she noticed a significant improvement in her mood and stress levels. Yoga became her escape, her way to reset and recharge. This is just one example of how finding the right hobby can make a huge difference. We'd love to hear from you too. Share your experiences with hobbies and how they've impacted your mental wellness in the comments below. To wrap up, hobbies and leisure activities play a crucial role in maintaining our mental wellness. They help reduce stress, improve our mood, enhance cognitive function, and build social connections. So, take some time to discover or rekindle a hobby that brings you joy. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and check out this playlist for more educational content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.